Namaskaram, my dear madams, and welcome back to Vastranand. In today's episode, I will show you the very pretty, the different color combination, different elements, and exclusive touch-up of this pretty, real gold saree waves in entire the body. If I talk about this material, then you receive the Banarasi cotton silk saree, affordable price point, luxurious fill foil, rich pallu, and free shipping. Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you receive the totally free shipping, but cash on delivery charge may be applied, and cash on delivery also available. And we have more than 4,500 plus designs in ready to ship. So must be visit our website www.vastranand.in, and you can download our application in Android and iOS device. Both device are our applications are live now, name of Vastranand. And if you like our collection, then like G.I.D., share G.I.D., subscribe G.I.D., our YouTube channel, and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand R&D daily. We are launching 4 to 5 different designs in affordable price point. Come to the points. Let's start with first product with a blood red color combination and contrast purple color combination. Look at the beauty of this elephant coin in entire the body parts with a blood red color combination. Traditional border in a golden zari weaves with a contrast purple color combination to resham weaves in entire the border part, same size border. You receive the both side of this saree with a luxurious Banarasi cotton silk material, different designs, different color combination, single color, single designs, and multiple stocks in ready to ship. So don't worry about that. If you need to uniform order, if you're looking for a single designs in a bulk quantity, then we are 100% guaranteed supplies within a 24 to 48 working hours. Here you can see the very pretty, the rich pallu with a magenta color combination, sunflower with column art fusions in a golden zari weaves. Look at the beauty of this big size, the Ashok chakra as well as the column detailings in between the middle parts of the circle, and fully golden zari brocade to rich pallu, and contrast rani with a red color combination, the traditional flower resham work in entire the rich pallu part as well as the same border part. Here you can see the black color combination, small very cute resham thread tassels part. Look at the fill foil of this pretty Banarasi cotton silk saree. Here you can see the ratapad border, same size border in both side of this saree. Let me show you the closely of this detailing of this very pretty Banarasi weaves. Here you can see the detailing of these border parts with elegant resham weaves and touch up part of this golden zari weaves in a blood red color combination body. This saree you received at just rupees 1050. 1050 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost, and Kashmir to Kanyakumari you receive the complimentary free shipping. Let me show you the blouse piece. Blouse piece you receive the magenta color combination plain blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like G.I.D., share G.I.D., subscribe G.I.D., our YouTube channel, and must be follow Instagram page Vastranand IND, and our customer care executive number is 8154000063. Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. You can call anytime, anything, and any language. Totally we are providing 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati, and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. And if you need to see our entire collection in video call facility, then video call services are live now. So must be connect one day before in our customer care executive and book your slot on sustainable time with a very pretty products. Let me show you the second color. In second color you receive the very pretty, the contrast pink color combination, kanchi style border, same size border in both side of this saree as previously ratapad style designs with the mango detailings in the below parts. Upper parts you receive the very cute temple designs in upper parts with a traditional mango and sunflower butti with a lotus art, and once again the Deepalu buttis in entire the border part. Very traditional designs in a pink color combination border. And if I talk about this body, then you receive the dual tone effect, the peacock feather not looking fully blue and not looking a fully Rama color combination, different color combination, Dup Chao color combination with a very unique the flower patterns in a 4 designs combo, making a very unique designs. Here you can see the closely very unique designs of this golden zari border. This saree also you received at just rupees 1050, free shipping all over India and complimentary free shipping, and cash on delivery charge will be extra. Here you can see the pink color combination, very pretty, the Banarasi Kanchi weaves, rich pallu parts with a mango and temple designs and traditional Banarasi flower motifs in entire rich pallu part. Here you can see the full body parts. In body parts, you receive the thousands of flower booties in entire the body, lightweighted breathable material and exclusive collection in affordable price point. Here you can see the softness of this saree. It's a perfect example of this traditional meets elegance with any time all-time favorite collection with all-time favorite sustainable material. This saree you received at just rupees 1050, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Here you can see the pink color combination contrast blouse piece. If you are planning to open your own boutique, then must be connect our customer care executive number. We are guaranteed, I personally guaranteed you receive the one of the best masterpiece in affordable price point with a wholesale rate and no minimum quantity required for the wholesale rate. So must be connect our customer executive number 8154000060, and if you are planning to come in our factory, then most welcome, and please update your suitable times when you are planning to visit our store. My team will be guide you and arrange the pickup and drop services. Let me show you the last but not the least, the very pretty, the royal blue color combination, royal blue with a black color combination. We are trying to make difference. Each and every saree have a different statement. Here you can see black color combination petha size border with a golden zari weaves with a rudraksham detailings with a checks patterns with the middle parts you receive the very unique lotus arts. Upper border you receive the very small designs in border parts and fully plain body with a black color combination resham striped patterns in entire the middle part of this body part. Here you can see the contrast blue color combination with a golden zari weaves, the rich pallu with a flower detailing and black color combination resham the tassels part. The saree also you received at just rupees 1050, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you receive the plain black color combination blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi. Buy now at vastranand.in.